think that ain't loud? My neighbors are crazy. Probably think I'm crazy over here with automatic gunfire. You can see the bus down there. She is got a straight pointed ground down. You can't see her, but she's actually in between them two panels right there. We have cut all the rivet heads off, and she's going along with an air hammer pushing the rivets out. When we get these rivets out of this side, that'll make 1,025 rivets. I gotta put my headphones back on. It's getting that loud. And then these pieces of metal are gonna go up where we're taking all this rivets out. See these brackets come out. Sheet metal will go from here, behind here. The brackets will go back on. We will re-rivet them. The top row of rivets will come out of this rub rail. It'll loosen up. We'll slip the sheet metal in between the rub rail, which is here, and this lip. I wore a blister on my hand with this. There's 3 more going on this side. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 4. There's 3 right. Hey.
What?
Take a break.
Why?
You can't imagine how loud this is outside. I'll be back. Hold on.
Right here.
Keep going. And then we take each one of them plates off and mark them so we know where they go, and we put them back in the exact same spot.